Now Treasury also has issued a security which is inflation protected, which is not impacted by inflation, and it pays the money to the bondholders with respect to the inflation. Okay, so the characteristics of the tips are it makes semi-annual payment. So the payment is done semi-annually. Okay, now what happens is in these tips, okay, what they do is they adjust the face value or par value with respect to the inflation. The face value or par value is adjusted. Okay, so the inflation is measured through CPI. If there is a inflation, par value is increased. Okay, so think about a par value of an inflation protected security. Let's say tip security face value is 1000. Okay, what happens is, let's say there is a CPI. Okay, so from CPI, when it was issued, let's say the CPI was 100. Okay, so this is the consumer price index. It is used to measure the inflation. Okay, now let's say after 6 months the CPI has become 105. So what we say is, in these 6 months the inflation is how much? The inflation is 5%. So what they will do is they will increase the face value by 5%. So they will say that a 5% it will be. Please note that this is inflation for 6 month period only. Typically you will be knowing the inflation at a yearly level, and then you have to divide by 2 to find out. So here we are saying that the inflation for the 6 month is 5%. So what you will say is the par value will become 1050, and a coupon would be paid on this 5050. So please know that coupon is always paid on coupon rate into the par value. So since the par value has increased, what will happen? The dollar amount of the coupon will also increase. Okay, so coupon payment is adjusted par value which has increased into your coupon rate. Since it's a semi-annual payment, it is divided by 2. So the coupon payment is increased. So the investor, he is getting a more dollar, more interest. Okay, also what happens is the face value has increased, so his investment is not deteriorating. So this is a very good thing about the tips, that in that they have increased the principal, so you are not getting severely impacted by inflation. So many securities are there available in the market which just increase the coupon, but they do not increase the face value. The face value remains constant. So such type of securities are not in demand because they are not exactly inflation protected security. TIPS is a inflation protected security. Okay, now when there is a inflation, the par values increase. If deflation, the par value is decrease. However, what they are saying is, in case of deflation, okay, it will become, so I will not say that it will not become less than it. I will say that it will not become less than $1,000 at maturity. So before maturity it can become $1,000. So let's say the face value was 1000 and the CPI was 100 when it was issued. Let's say there is a deflation of 5% and the CPI has become 95. So CPI has become 95, so this face value will decrease to 950 and the coupon will be paid according to this 950. Okay, but let's say at maturity the face value, the adjusted face value is, let's say 950 or less than 1000. Any value which is less than 1000, what they say is, if this is less than 1000 they will still pay you 1000. But if at maturity the face value is greater than 1000, they will pay you that amount. If it is 1050, they will pay you 1050. So it's a kind of win-win for the investor, because with inflation you will get your higher amount. With deflation you are not worried about decrease in the face value. So at maturity the adjusted par value is paid. If the adjusted value is less than 1000, the 1000 will be paid as the amount. The coupon payment, the formula is this.